Hi there, this is a quick outline to the C Driver Wiz templates. These enable you to develop a Stream Driver project for a Compaq 7 operating system project under Visual Studio 2008. Also, you can generate test projects. This is related to the C Driver Wiz wizard that's been around for some time. So C Driver Wiz templates on Codeplex here, also the C Driver Wiz, the original wizard, also on Codeplex, and there's also the component Wiz that's available on Codeplex. These are all related, they're all about building sub-projects or generating sub-projects for use in Visual Studio 2008 with a Compaq 7 operating system project. So just in reverse order to the previous, here is the component Wiz. What it does is enable you to add files simply to your operating system project. What it does is takes all these files and generates a sub-project that you then can add to the operating system project. This can be done in other ways, but this is a nice wrap-up of doing it as a standalone separate sub-project. It allows you to fine-tune things like registry settings for the components, if there are modules, whether they're contained in the kernel or not, and other sorts of various flags, whether read-only and so forth, and also where they're going to be located on the operating system in your program files directory or your My Documents directory, and so forth, and also whether it's included in the bib file, which actually determines whether or not it's going to be included in the operating system when it's built or not. Here we have the C Driver Wiz for generating Stream Driver projects under Compaq 7 or C6. Under Visual Studio 2008 it's for Compaq 7. You specify the stream name, the stream prefix, and fine-tune various aspects of the driver, and you can create the project and create various test projects, all for additional sub-projects to the operating system. The test projects allow you to load and unload it, test that it's been loaded, and also open the stream and close the stream, and test writing and reading to and from the stream, test ioctls, and so on. So that they allow you to just make sure the driver is working. C Driver Wiz, though, is created as a standalone application. It's integrated into Visual Studio through the Platform Builder sub-menu of the Tools menu and runs via Platform Builder scripting. C Driver Wiz templates are similar to the C Driver Wiz, except that the various sub-projects, for example the stream driver, appear as templates when you say add new project to the operating system solution. So we click on Platform Builder, and then you get all these various other sub-projects that you can add to it apart from the operating system design, which is what you would normally use to start building your operating system. So once you've got your operating system built and running and tested, you then start adding these. You add your stream driver and the required test projects. To use it very simply, you just right click on the solution, not on the sub projects. You then add the required template projects. You then remove them from the solution and then add them as sub projects, and then you can build them and run them once the operating system is running, and so forth. So C Driver Wiz templates on Codeplex, and the other ones are there as well. Some other resources are firstly the book that I've co-written with Sam Fung and Terry Gervais. There's also embedded101.com site and the Windows Embedded site on Microsoft.com. At Windows Embedded at Microsoft, particularly look for the white papers to do with stream drivers and to do with board support packages. Thank you. The next video in this sequence is the introduction, setting the scene. It's a longer, more in-depth introduction to C driver with templates.